Visualizing Incidence Reports in Healthcare, DATACON 2025 Pre-Conference Workshop. Join our pioneering pre-conference workshop at DATACON 2025, exploring advanced techniques for visualizing healthcare incidence reports. Industry experts will demonstrate how to transform complex healthcare data into meaningful visual insights using cutting-edge statistical and business intelligence tools. Designed for healthcare professionals seeking to enhance data visualization skills, this workshop will equip participants with practical methods to improve decision-making and communication of findings. Learn to create compelling visualizations that reveal patterns, trends, and anomalies in healthcare data. Register now for this valuable learning opportunity at KG Hospital, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. Limited seats available for DATACON 2025. Highlights: hands-on training with industry-standard visualization tools. Case studies demonstrating successful implementations. Networking opportunities with healthcare quality experts. Certificate of Participation from DATACON 2025. DATACON 2025 Pre-Conference Workshop.